Let's ditch that annoying flicker and get your Sony A7 IV footage looking smooth and professional. First, ensure your camera is in video mode. Flickering often happens when our settings clash with the lighting around us. The biggest culprit is usually the shutter speed. You need to match it to your power frequency. In North America, it's 60 Hz, so aim for shutter speeds like 1/60th or 1/120th of a second. If you're filming at 30 frames per second, use a shutter speed of 1/60th. If you're at 60 frames per second, use 1/120th. Matching these prevents the lights from cycling in and out of your frames. See the difference when the shutter speed and frame rate are not synced. The video will flicker because the lighting and settings are not synced. Keep an eye on your lighting. Artificial lights, especially fluorescent or some LEDs, can flicker. Natural light is usually flicker-free, but sometimes reflections can cause issues. If you are still experiencing flickering issues, you can adjust the picture profile. You can adjust the gamma display assist or the black gamma settings to help balance out the flickering. Adjusting your aperture can also help. A wider aperture lets in more light, allowing you to use a faster shutter speed that might further reduce flicker. And that's it. Sync your shutter speed to your frame rate, understand your lighting, and your Sony A7 IV videos will be flicker-free. Hit like and subscribe for more tips.